Welcome back. There's a puzzle there that you can have a go with where we add in various numbers according to multiplication. So you can add in 5 times 4 gives me the 20 down here and so on. You can have a go at that one. Let's go on. What are we doing? Simplifying expressions. There we are. Before we get to a little bit of revision next week and start thinking about a test. All right. Simplifying expressions. What do we need to know? What we're interested in is this thing called like terms. Like terms are things that are the same. 5e and 6e, they are both e's as the variable, so they are like terms. 1x and 13x's, like terms. 2bc and 4cb, they both have c's and b's. Right, it's probably more correct to write them in alphabetical order like that, but it doesn't really matter. They've both got BC's is the variables, so they're like terms. 3g squared, 45g squared, they're both g squareds, but notice 16g is not the same, it's not like terms with 45g squared. They are g's, they are g squareds. Just like these are ABCs, this is a BCD, they're different. XY's versus X's, not like terms. All right, so why do we want to know that? Because we can add and subtract like terms to simplify our equations that we have. All right, so if we look at our first example here, we've got 6b plus 4b. When we're simplifying like terms, all right, and it's addition and subtraction, you can think of them as objects. I've got $6. I've got another $4. How many dollars do I have? 6 and 4 is 10. I've got $10 or 10b. I've got 12 Mars bars because I'm greedy, and I've got another 3 more because, you know, why not? But then I gave 5 away to my friend. If you think about it in terms like that, it's not that difficult to work it out. I had 12. I found another 3 more Mars bars. I've got 15 Mars bars. 12 plus 3 is 15. I gave 5 away to my mate. I've only got 10 left. That's how it works. But ones like these ones down here, we cannot simplify them or do anything. These are G's, these are C's. They are not like terms. These are T's, that's just numbers. I can't subtract the 4 off. All right? They are not like terms. So, what do we do? Let's have a go at some of them. Here we go, here's some examples. 4g plus 6g, they're both g's, they're both like terms, so they're coefficients, which is the number in front there, can be added. 4g plus 6g is 10g. Part B, they're both ABs. You've got 11 of them. Now there's no number here, so we assume there's a 1 in there. 11 minus 1 is 10 AB. Same here. We've got 6 of them plus 5 of them. We've got 11 of them, and write your AD in alphabetical order. Same with these ones. These are solutions. With this one here, we've got the T's I can add together, but I cannot do anything with that because they are not T's, so that's not like terms with the other one. 4t plus 7t is 11t, minus 5 just stays on the end. Not like terms up here, so simple statement cannot be simplified. All right, you can have a go at a few of these and see how you go. And so on. Same with these ones. If we have a look at the first one, I've got 24 ABs. I want to add one more on, so I must have 25 ABs minus 7, and so on. Let's have a look at this one. This guy down here, I've got 7 R's. I add on 2 more, so I've got 9 plus 5 more. 9 plus 5 is 14. Minus 1 is 13. 13R. You can have a go at those and those. All right. Simplify the following first and then find the value by substituting A equals 4. All right, 5A's plus 2A's, 5 of them plus 2 of them is 7. So it's 7A. It tells me that A equals 4, so I substitute that in. 7 times 4 is 28. Let's try this one. So simplify it, 7a minus a, so I'm going to have 6a plus 5. I know a equals 4. Oops. Plus 5. 24 plus 5. And there. And so on. Alright, you can have a go at these ones. What's it say? A equals 7. Simplify first. We'll do this one. 7 plus 2 of them is 9a. A equals 7. 9 times 7. And so on. You can have a go at those ones. And those ones. Alright, true or false? A 4t and 6t are like terms. True, because they're both t's. 5g, over here, 3x and x are like terms. True, they're both x's. 5g and 5t are like terms. False. One's g's and one's t's. 7t and 5i are like terms. Same again, false. They're t's and i's. This bloke's true, and this one is false. They're a's, they're ab's. Different. All right, this one, 4x plus 3x. 4 plus 3 is 7, 7x, so that's true. This one, 8y plus 4y. 8 plus 4 is 12y, so that must be false. They're x's, they're 3's. It cannot be simplified at all, so you just leave it the way it is, so he's false. And 3a minus an a is 2a's. True. Okay. You can have a go at some of these ones. They're done all the same. These ones are all done pretty much the same. I'll do this one. If x is the number of chocolates in a box, Ahmed buys 7, so that's 7 times x, and Kevin buys 3. 3 times x. 7x plus 3x. 10x is the number of chocolates. That's how they're done. The rest of them are all done exactly the same as that. All right, try these guys, and I'll see you next lesson. Thank you.